I love using the Kum Kee sauces in my cooking. They deliver maximum flavor with minimal effort. In this series, I want to show you exactly when and how to use them to create exciting flavors in easy everyday dishes. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 awesome ways to use oyster sauce in your own cooking. Oyster sauce is one of the most famous sauces in Chinese cookery. It was invented by Kum Kee in 1888. It's made by cooking down fresh oysters until they turn into a smooth, rich, velvety sauce. Kum Kee's oyster sauce is excellent quality and has a sweet, rich umami flavor. I like to mix it with grated garlic to create a flavor-packed marinade for chicken. For really tender and succulent meat, marinate it for 30 minutes, but if you don't have time, 10 minutes is enough. Then penne the chicken, dipping it in flour, egg, and breadcrumbs, and shallow fry in a saucepan. This creates a gorgeous, crispy crust with moist, savory chicken in the center. It's the perfect marinade and drizzling sauce. Oyster sauce is also fantastic in Chinese stir-fries. It adds an unexpected umami hit to create some delicious flavor combinations. An absolute classic is beef in oyster sauce. I like to marinate beef fillet slices in oyster sauce for 30 minutes. Then fry them in a hot wok with ginger, asparagus, and spring onion. Then drizzle over more oyster sauce and toss together until cooked. The oyster sauce wraps everything in a velvety, savory smoothness that's so delicious. Served with a bowl of jasmine rice, heaven. I love to pair oyster sauce with mushrooms. It's the perfect match as it complements their natural flavor. I like to coat the mushrooms in the sauce and fry till juicy. Load it on some toasted sourdough bread and garnish with some finely chopped chives. It's the most Moorish mushroom snack. So there it is, guys, some delicious ways to inject some umami magic into your cooking. Let me know in the comments how you like to use oyster sauce in your cooking, and make sure you check out the rest of the sauce masterclass for some great recipe ideas.